Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, I explained the Ashoka and his Kalinga war, and then religion and his edicts. Now, today I will explain the measures adopted for the spread of Buddhism. This is very important 5 marks question. ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮದ ಪ್ರಸಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಶೋಕ ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕೈಗೊಂಡ measures adopted for the spread of Buddhism. First point, I told that Buddhism is not only India. This religion was spread out of the boundary. For example, China, Tibet, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asian countries, Central Asian countries. These countries, in that countries were adopted the Buddhism. So what are the main causes this religion was spread? Means first point, Ashoka, he was visited which is the Buddhist holy places. Which are the Buddhist holy places? Means Lumbini Garden. Lumbini Garden, who was born means Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha was born in Lumbini Garden. Kapilavastu, his kingdom. Gaya, Buddha got enlightened in Gaya. Saranatha, it is a what? Buddha got enlightened. He was first preached in Saranatha. Kushinagar, he was died in Kushinagar. So in that places who are visited means Ashoka was visited the Buddhist holy places as Lumbini Garden, Kapilavastu, Gaya, Saranatha and Kushinagar. Why he was visited means for the spread of Buddhism. Next, second point, for the spread of Buddhism, Ashoka, he was built a large number of the monasteries. Ashramaಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. He was built a large number of the monasteries. Where he was fed and where he was their empire, and he was his own money. He spent his own money. ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಹಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಶ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ದ. And third point, rock pillars. He spread Buddhism. How he was spread their Buddhism means when Ashoka was carved some inscriptions. Ashoka ಅನೇಕ ಶಾಸನಗಳನ್ನ ಕೆತ್ತೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ for the religion of Buddhism, ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮದ ಪ್ರಸಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ he was carved some rock pillars on the walls for the religion of Buddhism. And fourth point, Ashoka, he was appointed own officers for the spread of Buddhism. Who are there means officers is called Dharma Mahamatras. Ashoka was appointed own officers for the spread of Buddhism. Dharma Mahamatras, Yuktas, Rujukas ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. And also he was appointed Sri Adhyaksha Mahamantras. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ to take care of women, and he was bring the religion awareness among them. So Sri Adhyakshas ಅನ್ನೋರ್ನು ಸಹ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರಾಸನ್ನು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. Why he was appointed the Sri Adhyaksha Mahamantras means for the take care of women and take care of the Buddhist religion. Are you understood? Next, Gautama Buddha, Ashoka, he was conducted he was organized some Buddhist council. I told in the Buddhist, when I explained the Buddhism, in Buddhism they are held the four councils. What are there means I told Pataliputra, Kundalavana, I told that. So the same thing, Ashoka was contested or organized the Third Buddhist Council. Which one means Third Buddhist Council? It was held at Pataliputra. Pataliputra was the capital city of Ashoka in 250 BCE. Sixth point. Ashoka, he was appointed Ashoka was sent so many missionaries for the spread of Buddhism. ಅನೇಕ ಬೌದ್ಧ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕಳಿಸ್ದ. Why means for the spread of Buddhism. Where he was sent means Afghanistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and Europe countries. Ashoka was sent some missionaries for the spread of Buddhism of Afghanistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and Europe countries. And also Ashoka, he was sent his own daughter Sanghamitra, and also his son named Mahendra. Sanghamitra and Mahendra, his daughter and son, he sent his for the spread of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka ಗೆ ಸಂಘಮಿತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರರನ್ನ ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮದ ಪ್ರಸಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ. Last point, welfare activities. What are the welfare activities for the spread of Buddhism he was took? Means for the spread of Buddhism he was doing so many welfare activities. Dug well ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾವಿಗಳನ್ನ ತೋಡೋದು, built rest houses ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಣಿದು ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಮ ತಾಣಗಳನ್ನ, planted fruits, berries trees, ರೋಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಯಿಗಳು ಬಿಡುವಂತ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡೆಸಿದ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಅನೇಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ. ವೈ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವಂತ ಅನೇಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ. He built so many schools also. And he very important, he feed the poor and physician, unfilled people. So ಅಂಗವಿಕಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಅನೇಕ ಆಶ್ರಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಈತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. Totally, Ashoka, he was moved as a service and sacrifices. Next, these are the very important measurement adopted for the Buddhism. 7 points is very important. Next, contributions. This is also 5 marks question. Contributions. What are the contributions Mauryan dynasty gave to India? I told what are the contributions means. First one, Mauryan administration, how he was maintained the administration. ಮೌರ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇವ್ರು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕಾ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಗಾಸ್ತನೀಸ್, ಕೌಟಿಲ್ಯ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ವಿಶಾಖದತ್ತ ಆಫ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ, ಅಶೋಕಸ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ sources for the study of Mauryan dynasty. And through this we know that the Mauryan administration is the very important Arthashastra. Kautilya of Arthashastra is the very important sources for the study of Mauryan administration. First one, the central government, Kendra Sarkara anta heltivala adu. In that central government, he was established a efficient system of administration. ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ he was the head of the state. Who was the head of the state means king, he was the head of the state. And he was the chief sources of legislative, executive and judicial military officers. ಈತ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನಲ್ಲದೆ ಶಾಸಕಾಂಗ, ಕಾರ್ಯಾಂಗ, ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಸೇವೆಗೂ ಸಹ ಈತನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪರಿಷತ್, there was a council of minister. There was a council of minister that is called Mantri Parishad. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪರಿಷತ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Mantri Parishad, through the king, he was took the help for the Mantri or Mantri Parishad. He was maintain the administration. Next to secretariat. Secretariat means administrator matter. The central government was divided into the 30 departments. ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಚ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಅಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈಚ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು? ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್. So it's the very important. Mauryan Empire had a very important 2 courts are called Dharmasteya and Kantakashodhana. 2 marks question. What are the 2 important courts of Gautama Buddha? Means Dharmasteya and Kantakashodha are the very important 2 court of Mauryan dynasty. What is that? The Dharmasteya means that deals with only civil cases. Dharmasteya, it was deals with the only civil cases. And what is about the Kantakashodha? Means it is only deals with the criminal cases. Criminal cases. Are you understood? Dharmasteya, it was deals with the civil cases. Kantakashodha, it was deals with the criminal cases. Are you understood? Next, revenue administration. So revenue administration andre revenue andre to collect the taxes. Land revenue was the major. Land revenue was the main sources of income of the kingdom. ಭೂಕಂದಾಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ. ಫಾರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. What type of the revenue they are collecting? Means they were collected both cash or kind. ಹಣದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಧಾನ್ಯದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Provisional government. So how it was, Mauryan Empire was divided into the provinces. What are the main provinces? Means Girnar, Takshashila, Ujjaini, Kosala, Tosala and Suvarnagiri. These are the very important provinces. After they divided into the districts and village. Gopa was the head of the village. Next to city administration is the very important. It was committed 60 department and 60 boards. Thank you my dear students. Next class I will explain.